Introducing Tree. Beautifully designed premium furniture systems for cats and their humans. Tree is our core kit, the foundation for endless configurations and expansions. Most cat towers are made from synthetic carpet and ropes and have a bulky and obstructive construction. They're unstable structures, prone to wear and tear, likely to break and need disposing of in a short time. We were looking for something that would keep our cats healthy and happy and would look good in our living room, while saving us from purchasing and replacing cat furniture year after year. We couldn't find anything, so we decided to build it from scratch. Over the last 3 years, we've researched cat attributes, physique, climbing and scratching habits to really understand our feline friends, so we can build the best cat furniture on the market. The result? A modular and durable furniture system made of solid wood to provide all cats' needs for climbing, scratching, playing, and expanding other capabilities. How did we create Tree? Tree is actually made of solid wood. All components are durable and built to last. For vertical traction, we use thick, non-shedding cotton ropes, which last longer than traditionally used ropes. When they wear out, the ropes are easily and fully replaceable. For surface traction, we created uniquely patterned grooves designed for cats' grip by claws and paws. The column's hourglass shape keeps the rope tight, even with daily scratching, stretching, and climbing. Tree features an innovative joint that allows users to add sections, providing flexibility, easy delivery, and transport. It's the key for the many other structures and extensions possible with Tree. Tree is stable and suitable for all cat sizes. For cats weighing more than 20 pounds, we recommend the Expansion Pack, which provides even greater stability. Assembly is simple and fun and requires no nailing, screwing, gluing, or similar. Cleaning is easy. As pet owners ourselves, we designed the components to maintain a hairless, dust, and allergy-free environment. We created an elegant piece of functional sculpture. We shaped the wood with organic curves to soothe the eye, enhancing the material's natural characteristics and beauty. To turn these big chunks of wood accurately and efficiently, we use wood CNC lathes. The manufacturing of each part is completed by hand with careful sanding, polishing, and varnishing. Our wood is ethically and sustainably harvested. We use certified pet and human-safe varnish to enhance and protect the innate character of the wood and its users. We are expert designers, manufacturers, and crowdfunders. We've launched and delivered many successful products. We believe in building our brand with our community and value the feedback, knowledge, and support we get in this process. We're ambassadors of quality and sustainability, developing Meow Mews after we realized how much money we've spent on lower quality, disposable products. We are Meow Mews. We build premium cat furniture that's built to last.
We invite you, your cats, and the entire community to support our campaign and create together new standards of quality and innovation in the feline world.